Numbers, patterns, equations, they appear everywhere, from the spiral of a galaxy to the veins of a leaf, from the rhythm of a heartbeat to the orbits of planets. But is this simply a tool we use to describe reality? Or is reality itself made of mathematics? Tonight on Infinity Beyond, we venture into one of the most fascinating and mind-expanding ideas in science and philosophy. Is the universe mathematical? Let's begin with what we observe. From the smallest quarks to the largest clusters of galaxies, math works. It predicts eclipses. It explains quantum mechanics. It models black holes, supernovae, DNA, weather, music, and motion. We build satellites using equations. We land rovers on Mars by calculating trajectories. We create simulations of the early universe by solving partial differential equations on supercomputers. But here's the mystery. Why does math work so well? Why should abstract symbols scribbled by humans, things like P, E, or 2, map so perfectly onto the behavior of matter, energy, and space? This question was asked famously by physicist Eugene Wigner in a paper titled The Unreasonable Effectiveness of Mathematics in the Natural Sciences. It's not just that math is useful, it's uncannily accurate. So accurate that some scientists now believe it's not just a tool to describe the universe. It is the universe. The mathematical universe. Hypothesis physicist Max Tegmark proposed a radical idea. The universe is a mathematical structure, not just governed by math, not just described by it, but made of it. In this view, every particle, every law, every physical constant is not something embedded in a space that math describes. It is math. Electrons don't behave according to equations. They are equations. Space is not a stage where things happen. It's a geometrical structure defined by mathematical relationships. We don't live in a universe that obeys math. We live inside math itself. This means that if you could strip away all perception, all sensation, all metaphor, what you'd be left with is pure form, pure pattern, pure structure, and that structure is mathematics. Evidence in patterns. Golden ratios in sunflower seeds, Fibonacci spirals in shells, fractal geometry in ferns, lungs, river systems, lightning bolts, symmetry in crystals, waves in quantum mechanics, the curvature of space-time. Math isn't just in textbooks, it's in everything, in you. Your heart beats in rhythm. Your neural networks fire with logic. Your DNA encodes information using base pairs and probability. Even emotions, complex as they are, can be mapped to neurochemical feedback loops and bioelectrical signals. It's math wrapped in mystery. But is math discovered or invented? This is a question that splits thinkers into two camps. Platonists believe math is real, eternal, and discovered. The number P existed long before humans noticed circles. The Pythagorean theorem was true in the geometry of the cosmos, long before it was scratched into sand. Nominalists believe math is a human invention, a language we devised to make sense of a chaotic universe. Useful, but not fundamental. Which is it? Well, if math is invented, why does the universe play along? Why does gravity follow inverse square laws? Why does light have a constant speed? Why are the laws of nature expressible in equations at all? And if math is discovered, where does it exist? Outside time? Outside space? In some eternal realm of form? If so, then what does that say about reality? Maybe physical reality is just a shadow, a lower dimensional projection of a higher mathematical truth, a code we're slowly decoding, the simulation parallel. This ties beautifully into the simulation hypothesis. After all, simulations are built entirely on mathematics. Everything in a game world, terrain, lighting, physics, is math rendered by processing power. If our universe is a simulation, then it must be written in math. Equations functioning as rules, logic loops governing cause and effect. So maybe the question isn't whether the universe is math. Maybe the better question is, what kind of math is it? What's the base language? What's the syntax of space-time? What's the source code of reality? We haven't found it yet, but theories like string theory, loop quantum gravity, and quantum geometry are all attempts to write the final equation, a theory of everything that reduces the cosmos to a single elegant framework. So, why does it matter? Because if the universe is math, then everything we experience, light, color, love, music, is the emergent result of a deeper structure. It means beauty has a logic, wonder has a pattern, and your mind, your thoughts, are the result of mathematics becoming conscious of itself. It means that beneath every breath, every heartbeat, every dream, there is order. Not the order of rigid rules, but of harmony, of symmetry, of infinite unfolding complexity. So tonight, when you look up at the stars, don't just see lights in the sky. See equations. See patterns older than time. See the great algorithm unfolding. And know that you are part of it. A fleeting variable, a dancing function, a beautiful expression in the formula of forever.